Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Steam error code 105 when it says it cannot connect to the server. Before changing anything on your computer, first open your browser and search on Google to check if Steam is having issues. Sometimes the Steam servers are down, and in that case, the only thing you can do is wait until they come back online. If everything looks normal, then continue with the next steps. Start by restarting your home internet. Unplug the power cable from your router and leave it off for a couple of minutes. After that, plug it back in and wait for it to fully reconnect. Now we will clear your DNS. Go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. When the command prompt appears, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. When it opens, type the command ipconfig /flush, then press Enter. This clears your DNS cache. Once it finishes, close the command prompt window. Next, go back to the search bar and type Network Connections. Select the option that says View Network Connections. Find the connection you use, either Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Right-click on it and choose Properties. In the list, select Internet Protocol version 4 and open its properties. At the bottom, choose the option to use your own DNS servers. For the preferred DNS server, enter 8.8.8.8.4. The alternate DNS server, enter 8.8.4.4. These are the Google DNS servers. Click OK to save your changes. Once you finish, try opening Steam one more time and see if the connection works. Thanks for watching.